Kingston Engineering College. A rapidly changing world is one of the best challenges facing today's graduates. New technologies, new working practices, and changes in taste and fashion requires graduates who are equipped with flexible attitudes. Kingston College provides students with the skills to succeed. The vision of the college is to be a pioneer in engineering and management education by providing amicable ambience and being a center for learning, thereby perpetuating the versatile professionals in engineering and management suitable for industry, higher education, and research. The mission of the institution is to develop, nurture, and build professionals with technical, research, and managerial expertise, intellectual proficiency, right attitude, and moral ethics. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Kingston Engineering College are Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Civil Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering. Cutoff marks for this college for various castes and departments are: for OC it is from 154 to 179 for various departments, and for BCM it is 105 to 156. For BC it is 146 to 171. For MBC it is 134 to 171. For SC it is 114 to 142. The facilities at Kingston Engineering College are: library. Library functions on open access systems for all the users. Library is well equipped with textbooks, reference books, journals, magazines, newspapers, etc. Dewey Decimal Classification is used for classifying books and arrangement of books for subject wise. Library management software is used for housekeeping operations of library and is fully computerized and automated with barcode technology. Hostels. Hostels are provided for both genders separately with all facilities and with the choice of between vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. The rooms are spaciously designed with adequate storage moving areas. The Wi-Fi facility extends to most of the hostels. Each hostel is attached with a modern kitchen, a dining hall, a reading room with newspapers, periodicals and magazines, with a TV and a telephone. Transport. A full-fledged transport department functions in the college with buses to provide transport facilities to students and staff from various places. This service is offered ensuring a hassle-free and safe transportation. College runs 19 buses for providing transport facility to students from various places. Sports. Students are encouraged to participate and excel in sports in order to provide relaxation, channelize their energy, nurture competitive spirit, enhance team spirit, and achieve leadership qualities. Various sports competitions such as interdepartmental, intercollegiate, interuniversity, etc. helps in developing the spirit in students. Canteen. The college is equipped with a fully functional vegetarian and non-vegetarian canteen to serve hygienically prepared food to staff and students. Variety of South Indian food and snack items are provided to students and staff of the college at highly subsidized rate with highest quality. The college canteen provides variety of delicacies touched by homemade flavor, cooked to the perfection and served with great courtesy. The placement at Kingston Engineering College. The major recruiters are Accenture, Syntel, Airtel, Bajaj Capital, Birla Sun Life Insurance, CSC, Skypro, Cognizant, Eureka Forbes, Flex Orbits, Glenhood Systems, HCL, HGS, iHorse, IBM, Infosys, Emphasis, Oracle, Polaris, Bosch, Sundaram Finance, SL Lumax, Square Group, Sutherland Global Services, Tata Consultancy Services, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Zoho. The result comparison for Kingston Engineering College. The overall percentage for 5 years is between 59 to 75 percentage. In 2013 it was 59 percentage. In 2014 it was 75. In 2015 it was 65. In 2016 it was 72. And in 2017 it was 68 percentage. The college counseling code for Kingston Engineering College is 1520. Contact college at 0416 2298 300 up to 50 lines. The website is http://engineering.kingston.ac.in. The college is located at Chittor Main Road, Katpadi, Vellore 632059. The website is info@kingston.ac.in or enquiry@kingston.ac.in.